Hi guys, my name is Nadia and I'm a volunteer at Rainbow. I'm also a college student majoring in chemistry, which is why I thought today I would show you a fun little experiment that you can watch or follow along with at home. So today we're going to learn how to make an exploding volcano. So what you're going to need for this experiment is some white vinegar, some water, some soap, baking soda. You're going to need like a 2-liter bottle, or really any bottle will work. So this was a 2-liter bottle that I cut the middle out of. So once you do that, you can take the top and the bottom part and put them together like this. Optional use of food coloring. You could use that to make the lava turn a certain color. I don't have food coloring, so I'm going to be using red icing to make the lava red. And you also need something to cover your volcano with. So for this, I just used a piece of paper that I wrapped around the bottle and then painted brown for the volcano and green for the grass under. You can really use anything. Some people use clay to mold it around. Some people have like sticky sand, so whatever you want to use there works. So to start today, we're going to take this bottle once you have the middle cut out, and once you have them connected, you're going to take this bottle and place it on a tray. So the tray is just going to help you reduce the mess and make for an easier cleanup, or you could also do this outside if you want. So once you have this, we're going to take that 2/3 cup of vinegar and pour it into your bottle. I'm using a funnel here just to make it a little less messy. So now that you've got the vinegar in there, we're gonna also add in a 1/4 cup of just cold water. Oops. So the cold water goes in with the vinegar. Along with that, you're gonna add in your food coloring. You can make this whatever color you want, it's completely up to you. And you just probably need a few drops of that. We'll see how the icing works with this, but I figured it's mostly food coloring anyway. You can just swirl all that up, mix it in the color. So you should have a nice red liquid now, or whatever color you're going for. And finally, we are going to put in a few pumps of soap. So I think any soap will work. I'm using dish soap. And again, just mix that around a little bit. Finally, we're gonna take a 1/2 cup and fill it halfway with your baking soda and halfway with just water. So once you have that baking soda and water, you're just gonna keep mixing that until it starts to dissolve. So this doesn't need to be completely dissolved, but once you kind of have a mixture that you feel like is mixed pretty well, we are going to take our cover for the volcano and cover that part that we filled. And then this is gonna be our final step, and this is gonna be where all the fun happens. So once we do this, you're gonna start to see the creation of that lava coming from your volcano. So get everything really mixed up in there and get ready to pour quickly, because once this goes in, the reaction is gonna start happening pretty much immediately. So get the baking soda suspended in the water, and when you're ready, make sure your volcano's on your tray. When you're ready, you're gonna start pouring and we're gonna see the reaction. So I'm just gonna mix this up one more time and start your reaction. And there you go, see, it happens pretty quickly. So yeah guys, this is how to make an exploding volcano. And feel free to try this at home for yourself. Feel free to make this an experiment at home. You can experiment with what adding extra baking soda does. You can see what adding more vinegar does, and you can just play with the reactants to see what will make the biggest explosion. So I hope you guys are all safe out there, and I just want to thank you for watching. So bye guys, hope you have a nice day.